Alright guys, we are at Thrillsville once again. If you didn't watch the last vlog, you won't know what we're talking about, but we were very underwhelmed with Thrillsville.
It's like a bad penny.
But Thrillsville is actually pretty spread out, which is cool because it's not everything you see. What we did see when it came to zip lining is accurate though, so I don't take any of that back. But they have underground kayaking tours, and that's what we're going to be doing. Which is really exciting. It's an hour long, and we're going to be inside of a decommissioned mine, which they've kind of turned into a way of kayaking. So, we've paid for that, we have our passes, and we have about an hour to kill before the tour, because it's a guided tour, so we'll have someone more following, which is nice. And after that, we're going to go try the very famous Miguels for pizza, which is like right around this area. What about it? I think Patrick just lost his tooth inside of a Clif Bar.
So I shoved like half a Clif Bar in my mouth. I bit it. Kind of like yanked on my tooth a little bit. So.
Put it in your geocache.
Can't open it.
It's a monumental moment. Babe, can you open this for him first? And guys, this was also in, I think, either yesterday's vlog or the day before. Found this geocache. Should I get like a Polaroid picture? As usual, we are on the side of the road. Every time we go somewhere, we always stop whenever we can when there's beautiful scenery, especially when we got time to kill. We got like 20 minutes before we need to show up at the drop zone for the kayaking. So there's a couple of really cool cliffs right here, and we thought it'd be cool to fly the drone up to the cliff and kind of hover around it and see what we can get from that. So that's what Dana's working on right now. Like Eileen, like Patrick. I've created a monster. I found this snail shell and I gave it to him. And now he's in the middle of a road trying to take a picture of it on the concrete with my old camera. Did you get the shot you wanted?
No.
No?
Wasn't working very well.
Well, stick out that shell. Let's see how cool it looks on the camera. Pretty sweet, huh? When you stick your nose right in nature, you find some pretty cool stuff, huh?
Yeah.
You get the shots you wanted, sweetheart?
Just hang out in this room. When we get started, we're going to be going to the right. We'll just wait till we get everybody in and kind of play around in your kayak. As you come down through here, you can grab your paddle. Longer the better. Chance of getting wet. Whoever's ready, we'll get you up there. All right. Anybody want to take hand? Come in back.
Kayaker is straight for a wall. Just kick it into reverse. They come stock with that, and you can just paddle backwards. Now they actually started mining limestone in here in 1890, and they mined all the way up until 1985. So just under 100 years of mining in here, and that opened up 5 miles underground. 3 flooded out and 2 of it's still dry. We're going to go on about a 1.5 mile adventure through the wet side of the mine. Now, what actually flooded this mine out is when they were blasting through here with dynamite, they blew into an underground spring reservoir in the late 70s, early 80s, and it dumped millions and millions of gallons of water.
Alright, we are currently at Miguel's Pizza. So it's pretty sweet inside. You go up there, you fill out a ticket, you order, and they bring it over to you, and it's all like custom pizza, so you have to choose your toppings. There are no like pre-made options, it's all custom, which is kind of cool. And they have some merchandise here, and we are very hungry, so I'm excited for that.
We are hungry.
Super.
Beerbellied.